Arthritis pain. What is the secret to helping with it? What is arthritis? Arthritis is the swelling and tenderness of one or more joints. The main symptoms of arthritis are joint pain and stiffness, which typically worsen with age. The most common types of arthritis are osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Different types of arthritis exist, each with different causes including wear and tear, infections, and underlying diseases. Medications, physical therapy, or sometimes surgery helps reduce symptoms and improve quality of life. Early signs of arthritis include pain in a joint, joint swelling and tenderness, joint stiffness, especially in the morning, grinding sound or sensation, pain in a joint that was previously injured, growing pain, symmetrical joint pain, pain or stiffness in your hands and feet. I want something natural. When it comes to dealing with pain, it is normal to want to turn to taking medications. The problem with taking medications for a long period of time is that you do not know how your body is going to react to taking the same medication every day. In addition to that, you will begin to rely on the medication and not know how to function without it. There are some natural ways to help with the pain. Let's dive right into them. Why does physical activity help with arthritis? Exercise is crucial for people with arthritis. It increases strength and flexibility, reduces joint pain, and helps combat fatigue. Of course, when stiff and pain joints are already bogging you down, the thought of walking around the block or swimming a few laps might seem overwhelming. However, regular exercise can reduce some of the symptoms of arthritis. It also improves joint mobility. I am worried I am going to injure myself exercising. Though you might think exercise will aggravate your joint pain and stiffness, that's not the case. Lack of exercise can make your joints even more painful and stiff. That's because keeping your muscles and surrounding tissue strong is crucial to maintaining support for your bones. It is understanding that the fear of injuring yourself and or causing more pain to your body is completely understandable. However, let's start at a rate that is going to be best for you. Where do I start? Let's start small and easy. No reason to jump into something that is extremely hard. Let's go on walks, jogs, bike rides, swim some laps. These are great ways to get started to your fitness journey. Once your body is used to the physical activity, there are new things that you can add to your routine. Ready for more intensity? Let's make your workout routine a little harder. Let's add ankle weights when going on walks or jogs, and let's use bands instead of weights when first beginning. Using bands when first beginning is a great way to start because you have the opportunity to master your form, which will decrease your chance of any injury. Some band work. Here are some different examples of workouts that you can implement in your routine with bands. Let's start with some standing core twists, bicep curls, shoulder stretch, crossbody reaches, upright rows, and tricep extensions. Let's take it up a notch. Choose a weight that is comfortable for you. Let's get started. With some bicep curls, shoulder press, tricep extensions, reverse flies, lateral raises, front raises, chest flies, and push-ups. Let's start with at least 10 to 15 push-ups. Let's get physical. Let's help ease the pain by keeping your body active. Start small and trust the progression. Although physical activity will not cure your arthritis, it is going to help with the pain that you feel every day. What are you waiting for? Let's get physical.